Hello everyone, welcome you to my YouTube channel ITI Solution. I am Riya Datta. Today I discuss about 12 very important basic MCQ from Transformer. I hope this session help you of your government job preparation like Rail, SSC, PSC, etc. Okay, let's start. A transformer transform option A voltage, option B current, option C frequency and option D power. Correct answer is option D power. A transformer transform power. Transformer is a static device used to convert the voltage or current both, either step up or step down. Voltage and current together called power. Clear? Next question. In a transformer, the primary flux is always dash the secondary flux. Option A greater than, option B smaller than, option C equal to and option D either 1 and 2. Correct answer is option C equal to. In a transformer, the primary flux is always equal to the secondary flux because main flux of transformer is constant. If load increases in secondary, primary coil always draw more current to maintain the main flux. Similarly, if load reducing, the secondary current decreases. Hence, primary current always reduce, demagnetize the core. Primary flux is always equal to the secondary flux. Clear? Okay, next question. The friction losses in real transformers are option A 0%, option B 5%, option C 25% and option D 50%. Correct answer is option A 0%. The friction losses in real transformers are 0%. Transformer is a static device. So, there is no rotating part, hence no frictional losses. Clear? Okay, next question. A transformer dash. Option A changes AC to DC. Option B changes DC to AC. Option C step up or down DC voltages and current. And option D step up or down AC voltages and current. Correct answer is option D. A transformer steps up or down AC voltages and current. Because transformer works only AC voltage, not works in DC supply. Because there is no flux changes in DC. Result, burning of primary winding. No EMF induced in secondary. Okay, clear? Next question. The secondary winding of which of the transformers is always kept close? Option A current transformer, option B voltage transformer, option C power transformer and option D step down transformer. And correct answer is option A current transformer. Current transformer trans ratio 1 by 200. Hence, voltage increases across secondary winding 200 times. Result, arc explosion, serves accident. To avoid all this, the secondary terminal of CT should always kept open. And this is the diagram of CT. Okay, clear? Next question. Power transformers are designed to have maximum efficiency at option A full load, option B 50% load, option C 80% load and option D no load. And correct answer is option A full load. Power transformers are designed to have maximum efficiency at full load. Power transformers are not directly connected to consumers. Therefore, load fluctuation is very less. So, transformer can operate on full load. Clear? Okay, next question. The open circuit test in a transformer is used to measure Option A, copper loss. Option B, winding loss. Option C, total loss. And option D, core loss. Correct answer is option D, core loss. Transformer is open circuited. There is no output. So, the copper loss is neglected as the no load current is very less. Okay, next question. Flash point of transformer. Insulating oil should be more than option A 100 degree, option B 140 degree, option C 75 degree and option D below 75 degree. Correct answer is option B 140 degree. As per standard rules, the flash point of transformer oil should be greater than or equal to 140 degree. Clear? Okay, next question. An auto transformer can be used as option A step up device, option B step down device, option C both step up and step down device and option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C both step up and step down. In auto transformer, single winding is used as primary winding as well as secondary winding are often used to step up or step down voltages up to 240 volt. Clear? Next question. The leakage flux in a transformer depends upon the value of option A frequency, option B mutual flux, option C load current and option D applied voltage. Correct answer is option C load current. Core flux of transformer is constant, but leakage flux depends with current. When load increases, current rises, leakage flux also increases. Clear? Okay, next question. In a transformer, the resistance between its primary and secondary is option A 0, option B infinite, option C 1000 ohm and option D 100 ohm. Correct answer is option B infinite. In a transformer, the coil are not electrically connected. Therefore, the resistance is ideally infinite. Clear? Okay, next question. Which winding in a transformer has more number of turns? Option A secondary winding, option B primary winding, option C high voltage winding and option D low voltage winding. And correct answer is option C high voltage winding. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, I will discuss more question on my next video. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.